Hello everyone. Today's lesson is lesson 61, adding two-digit numbers with regrouping using dimes and pennies, part 1. So here I have 24 cents. How would I show that with the fewest dimes and pennies? So I would do that by having 2 dimes and 4 pennies. Okay, I'm just going to use colored circles in this lesson. Okay. Now I want to add 63 cents. So we're going to add 63 cents. Okay. So I'm going to add 6 more dimes and 3 more pennies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. So how much money is this all together? So let's count. So we count dimes first. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And then we count my pennies. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. So I have 87 cents. Okay. So let's write out this problem vertically. If I were to write it vertically, it would look like, let's make some room, 24 cents plus 63 cents equals 87 cents. Okay? All right. So it'd look like this. Now, you want to make sure to write the numbers that show the number of pennies in the pennies column and the number of dimes in the dimes column. Okay? And then we write the addition symbol next to the bottom number. So let's add these numbers with written this way vertically to solve it. So we have 4 plus 3. So we add, this is the ones digits, and that's what we add first. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Then we add the tens digit, or the dimes. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. So the answer is going to be 87 cents. Okay. What about if I have 37 cents? So let's show that information. So I would have 3 dimes, 1, 2, 3, and 7 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now we're going to add 23 cents. Okay. So I need to add 2 more dimes and 3 pennies. 1, 2 dimes, and 3 pennies. 1, 2, 3. So what do I have? So if we look, I have, of dimes, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I have 50 cents in dimes. And then in pennies, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 pennies. So I can trade these 10 pennies for a dime. So I'm going to cross them off, the 10 pennies, and I'm going to trade that for 1 more dime. So 50 cents plus 1 more dime is going to be 60 cents. Okay. Or I have 6 dimes and 0 pennies. Okay, that equals 60 cents. So now I've written my problem vertically. And we have to be careful again to write the pennies under the pennies column and the dimes under the dimes column. Okay. So this is the way many people add two-digit numbers. So let's add the pennies first. 7 pennies plus 3 pennies equals 10 pennies. What happens when we have 10 pennies? Well, we trade them for a dime. So I write a small 1 underneath the dimes column, because I'm trading 10 pennies for a dime. And then I write a 0 below the pennies column to show that I have no pennies left. Okay. If you look, we can see that we still have 10 pennies. We just traded the 10 pennies for 1 dime. Now we will add the dimes. 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So we're going to write the 6 dimes below the dimes column to show that we have 6 dimes. So this is the same as 60 cents. Okay, let's try another problem. So let's say we have 56 cents plus 36 cents. Okay. So we add up the pennies first. 6 plus 6 is 12. Well, I trade 10 pennies for a dime, so all I have left would be 2 pennies, and then I traded for a dime. And you can see I have the number 12 still written this way. Okay, so now we add the dimes. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So I have 92 cents. Okay, let's do one more. This time I have 17 cents plus 48 cents. Okay, so 7 plus 8 is 15. So that means I have 5 pennies and I have 1 dime. Okay, because remember, 15 cents is 1 dime and 5 pennies. Okay, now I add the dimes. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 is 6. So I have a total of 65 cents. Right, and that is how we add two two-digit numbers vertically. That's all for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.